All right, guys, this is about take 100 of this technique. We'll see if I finally nail it, okay? This is the first lasso sweep I ever learned from my professor, Master Fabio Santos. Let's go through it and then I'll break it down. All right, guys. So as you can see, there's also a couple submission options off of that. I'll cover that as well, but let's cover the technique, the submission, the sweep itself. Same intro as last week. I'm not gonna break it down this time. Boom, boom, we get there. I angle, this is where things change. This leg comes across the waist, across the belt line, and this one goes to lasso. So now I'm in this position here. I still need this grip, kind of like last week. I rock him forward. As I rock him forward, I load him up on my leg, right to here. From here, I'm gonna extend my leg as I punch this arm as well. He lands. As you guys can see, I have a bicep slicer set up. If it's an option for you, meaning brown belt on up, you can nail it. There it is. If it's not, release the arm, release the bicep slicer, but keep the arm, just like this, right? Because we have another option over here. I'm gonna hand off the arm, pull him up, step. So we're in this position here, right? Leg down, leg up. I'm gonna pivot, sit, collect the leg, and now I can finish off with the arm bar. So I love this technique because it's immediate threat of submissions off of this one. So let's do it again. Double sleeve grips. I'm ready. More bite. There it is right there. Rock him forward. Load him up. See how I'm direct underneath him? That's where I want to see how he's real floaty. That's where I want him. Now I extend and punch at the same time, right? So my leg and my arm are working together. He lands. I come up, immediately threaten that bicep. He's already tapping. I see it's very quick. That's how quick it is. If it's not an option for you, release it, but keep the arm. And now I'm here in this position. This is an important detail here. I'm gonna hand off control of this arm to the other leg. And just like that. Palm on the mat, other arm hugging that arm. Lift him up onto his side as I step. From here I pivot, control that leg, get him flat, thumb up, and then we finish that arm bar right there. So let's do it one more time. Bicep. Arm bar, pinch those knees, thumb up, there it is right there. Perfect. So like I said, this is the first technique, the first lasso technique I ever learned. And it's funny because when I learned it, it wasn't even called lasso guard. It was just like an open guard technique. And then all of a sudden it became lasso guard. So try that one out and see what you guys think.